This is the ZEALOT Bluetooth wireless speaker. I found this on Amazon. I believe I paid $25. Um, it's not a real deep bass speaker, but it has a nice sound. I like the quality of the audio that comes out of it. So, toward the end of the video, I will have a audio test. So you have Bluetooth. You have a speaker. You have your TF card. You have US port, and you have your aux, and you have speaker phone. Now the speaker does come in different colors: gray, pink, black, and white. But I think right now they only have black in stock. Inside the box, you get your 3.5 millimeter cable, you get a USB cable, and you get a manual, and of course the speaker itself. Now the move button allows you to switch from Bluetooth, aux, and FM radio. On top of the speaker, you have info mode. Like I said, that gets you to Bluetooth, the aux. You have your answer, hang up, call button, and minus and plus for volume and skip or reverse tracks. Now let's see what's on the back of the speaker. You have your aux import, TF card slot, charging slot. And this is the USB. You actually could use this as a power bank. And you have an on-off switch. Now let's listen to some music.
Bluetooth mode.